What's going on, guys? Andy here, G4 Outdoors, and today I'm going to be talking about the Glock 44.
Well, here's a little story about two friends that came together, and we started up a YouTube just to talk about whatever. We're on a boat catching big bass and smashing them cats, from review videos to just making you laugh. Cause we got guns, we got knives, we got fishing, we got hunting, we got everything you like, so hit that subscribe button. We're in the outdoors, doing things that we love. We're talking guitars, girls, green grass, and guns.
So I don't have a good 22 long rifle plinking pistol burning through 22 long rifle ammo. So I had a $200 gift card to Academy Sports, and I went up there and I picked up the Glock 44. Now let's do a little quick unboxing to show you what comes with the Glock 44 package. So you're going to have the gun itself. Glock 44 is empty. Comes with two 10-round magazines, adjustable back straps, got your lock, other information, safety information, manual, things like that. First thing I want to talk about is the magazines. In a 22 long rifle platform and a pistol, I would prefer having more ammo, like a 15-round magazine. Why they did a 10-round magazine, I don't understand for sure. Maybe it's reliability issues, I don't know. But I would have loved to see a 15-round magazine instead of 10-round magazines. But the Glock 44 itself basically mimics the Glock 19. Could be a good training weapon for you Glock 19 guys out there, but I would prefer training with the gun that I'm going to use. So if I'm going to use a 9mm, I want to be training with a 9mm. I never really understood training with a lower caliber pistol if you're going to be running a different caliber. But I got this gun just for plinking around when we're at the range. Inability of ammo right now, so I have a ton of 22 long rifle, so I figured it'd be nice to have a fun little plinking pistol for 22 long rifle. Talk to you about the gun for itself. This is a Gen 5, so you have the serrations up front and in the rear, adjustable sights. The frame itself is polymer like Glock always does. The slide is both polymer and metal. You have metal in the right spots, metal in the rails, things like that. So the trigger on the Glock 44, very similar to the Glock triggers. It's real mushy on the take-up. The brake's nice. The reset's short. But yeah, you still got that mushy pickup like every Glock has. But talking about the gun itself, it weighs close to nothing. This is a very, very, very light pistol. Even with a loaded magazine in it, you still feels like an airsoft pistol more than it does an actual pistol. So that can be a little concerning, but at the same time, it's kind of nice having a light gun. Let's get this magazine out of there. Now, 22, as you most know, is a very inherently dirty round. Unreliable round rimfire is. So I don't expect this gun to run the most amazing that it's ever any guns ever ran. I understand I'm dealing with 22 long rifle when it comes to this pistol, and I hope a lot of you do too. That's just how it goes when you're running 22 long rifle. Now let's go ahead and take it apart real quick. Spring, barrel. Now let's look at the slide for a little bit. Like I said, it is a mixture of both polymer and metal. The slide does have a little bit of weight to it, but you got metal in all the right places where you're going to want metal at. The bulk of the frame up top is polymer. Everything else is just normal, how you would see it if it was any Glock 19 or Glock 17 or whatever. And according to Glock, it does have the same firing mechanism as you would in your Glock 19s. So you are supposedly able to dry fire this as a 22 long rifle. A lot of people say don't dry fire rim fire, but according to Glock, it is safe to dry fire this weapon if you're going to practice that way as well. Like I said, this is almost an exact replica of the Glock 19 Gen 5, with the stippling on the frame itself is the same as all the other Glocks, so you're not getting anything different there through the Glock 44. It's just a nice trainer to someone that wants to train or is beginning into guns. I could see this being a very good firearm for someone who's new into firearms and wants to use 22 long rifle, manage recoil, things like that. I can see this being a very good for them, especially being 22 long rifle. I'm sure you're going to have to do a lot of clearing drills, and that's something you're going to want to practice on anyways. Alright, let's look at the slide. You can see here where it's metal reinforced at the bottom and polymer up at the top. You got some grooves on the slide serrations for pullback on both the front and the rear as well. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Just showing off the Glock 44 new pickup for G4 Outdoors. Doing a little unboxing and overview on the firearm itself. Like I said, should be a good fun plinking gun, shooting 22s at the range, practicing your clearing drills because you're shooting some dirty rimfire ammo, some unreliable ammo. So I wouldn't consider this gun an everyday carry for anybody. I don't really trust 22 long rifle that much, so I'm not going to trust my life with it. But just a fun gun to shoot, I'm hoping. I'm hoping it's a fun gun to shoot. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching. If you got any information out of this video, cool. If not, cool. I just wanted to show off a new purchase. So hit the like button, leave a comment down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't. And I'll see you in the next one.
The weather's super crappy, or you might be stuck inside. Search G4 Outdoors YouTube online. But as I look up and I ask, can I please just catch a break? I got my